Sometimes it's important to bring some change to what might seem a boring life. Hello and welcome to PMC English. I'm Idris and with me is Mrs Khushi. A very warm welcome to our studio, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And today we are going to discuss something very interesting because she is an artist and she conducts hobby classes of various different arts. We'll explore this topic more. Ma'am, first of all, what is hobby and why is it important?
Hobby is something which is your passion, what you like doing it, and which you never get bored of doing it, and you are much creative in that, and you keep on trying different things in that field. And hobby is something which takes a person's inner talent out of him itself.
Wonderfully explained. Now you discussed about hobbies. Now we'll talk about the classes you conduct. And while I was going through the website, I saw lots of different things, activities for different age groups, right? Yes. So what all classes do you conduct? What all do you teach?
Well, I have plenty of classes, like more than 20 to 25 courses. Wow. And it's for all age group, like right from the very small age, like 4 years, to the retired person, 50 years and above age also. Because in my hobby classes, I give space for everyone, like for all age group, where a kid can also come and explore their talent, and even the elders and even the working ladies and working people, those who are very much engaged with their works and all, for them also I have special batches and classes in the weekends, so that somewhere people get bored of their routine life. They want to do something which is with their own creation, with their own creative and with their own passion, apart from their professional lives and their personal life. They want something of their own time, their own space. Right. So that part I kept in my mind, and for all age group I conduct classes. And suppose if I have a specific activity, the same activity I take it for 4 years, and same activity I take it for a 50-year-old lady. Right. So in that way I look up to their level of their understanding, how the person is able to understand a 4-year level of understanding and a 50-year-old understanding level. So in that way I balance and I teach them.
Right, really wonderful, amazing. It's very interesting to teach a kid, and at the same time you take care of a 50-60 years old person. Yes, also. Yes, exactly. And of course the young people are there, that they are like, I think they would be easy to teach, right?
Yeah, the young people, actually the thing is, when they are more enthusiastic and more creative within themselves. So they have their own creations and they create many more of their own interest. Right. And even the teenagers and all, especially the people who are involved in this activities already. Right. As the trend is going on of various handicraft items, especially in this generation, as the demand is more of the handicraft items than the machine made items. So the people, childrens and the girls, everyone are interested more in making of the handmade stuff. And also as an entrepreneur, I get more of demand of handmade products. Apart from conducting classes, I also sell my artwork on demand. So as an entrepreneur, I have seen there has been an increase in the demand of handmade products.
Wonderful, really interesting. So this can be taken as a career. After learning the hobby classes, we can choose it as one of our careers, right?
Well, I can say I'm very much blessed to help someone in their economical way. Like, people have come to me for their financial needs and all, like they have started their own business out of my art and craft activities. There are plenty of activities, like for instance, like jewelry making is there. People have made jewelry and they have also exported outside. So especially the Indian jewelry is very much demand in US and all. So people have started their own business and formed their own careers out of this. And I feel really happy out of that. My student is like, growing in their career and all. Yes, right. Exactly.
Really wonderful. That's really amazing. You are giving a chance to people to help them economically and help them to grow their career. It's really wonderful. And the way you said they have started exporting things or the crafts outside India, like US, UK and other countries.
Yes, exactly.
Really amazing. Now I want to know, what's your hobby?
Well, my hobby is this, what I do. It's my passion. Right. And I love doing that. And my hobby currently is teaching people. So, teaching more and more to people. I have also taught in various MNCs also, like they have their small workshop kind of thing. So in that also I have taught many of the MNC people, and also in the Army Center, AOC Center, which is in Secunderabad. There I have taught the Army materials wives and all, and the railway sectors group of people, and there also we have conducted the classes with the help of my mother. Me and my mother, we both take the classes. So it's been like almost 15 years we have been taking these classes, and helping people to create their own creativity and help them grow in the same field.
Right, really wonderful, really amazing. You take care of so many things, so many people you meet and teach them. And I'm really glad to know that your mother also is joining you, supporting you. Really amazing. I want to know, when did this idea came into your mind, and when did you practically, applied it and started it?
Yes, I can say, well, I got these genes from my mother. She have been into this artistic things from a long time. I have been seeing her paintings all over the house. So many paintings and all. She used to paint the clothes. She used to do, best out of waste items. Whatever, she has the left out things, she used to make beautiful creation out of that, which she used to decorate at home. So with that, I got very much interested in that, and, somehow I created a interest in that and hobby in that. And then in my college, in my school days, I used to excel in that activities, and I got many awards for that. And in my college days also, I have excelled, and I got an opportunity work for Infosys, wherein I have taught the Infosys people the activities and all. So there also I felt ki yes, it's a good platform where I can explore my talent. And then again, I got opportunities from different schools, like play schools and all. Then I chose a school just for exploring more in that.
Right.
Like I like that at ambience where I was with the kids and all, I was teaching them. Then in that direction, I kept on moving ahead.
Lovely.
And also, like previously, I was working with Google company.
Wow.
So there also, I had kept a few workshops, and along with that, there was Harsh Technologies, wherein I have also put up a cooking classes with my mother, obviously. And also there are many of the companies which I can name, and also my interviews were also published in Gemini TV and Vanita TV.
Wow.
And also the articles which were published in Andhra Jyoti newspaper and in Adu Telugu newspaper, which was published in all over
These
Andhra.
are one of the leading channels and newspapers. Definitely really a great achievement you have done till so far. Would your mother be interested in giving a message to our viewers?
My mother, yes, surely she will be happy.
Surely, we'll take her message, then we'll continue this interview.
नमस्ते, मैं खुशी हॉबी क्लासेस की ओनर सुनीता बात कर रही हूँ। मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि पढ़ाई लिखाई के साथ साथ बच्चों को आर्ट सिखाना ज़रूरी है, ताकि आर्ट के साथ साथ वह लाइफ में कुछ कर सके, आगे बढ़ सके। उनको जो इंटरेस्ट है वो ज़रूर सिखाना चाहिए आर्ट में, जैसे कि पेंटिंग है, मेहंदी है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, नेल आर्ट है, सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग है, टेराकोटा ज्वेलरी है, फैब्रिक पेंट, ऐसे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है। वो सब उनको जो इंटरेस्ट है वो ज़रूर सिखाइए आप, ताकि वो लोग फ्यूचर में कुछ बन सके आगे जाके। धन्यवाद।
Really amazing to hear her voice and the way she explained the things. I'm really happy. You are lucky to have such a great mom.
Yes, I'm very much blessed in that.
Now, ma'am, I want to know, what all do you teach?
Well, starting with the activities, there are plenty of activities basically targeting the kids and the ladies. So we have different types of art and craft, paintings, candle making, chocolate making. The latest, we keep on exploring what all is coming in the market lately. So deco patch, paper quilling, jewelry making, terracotta jewelry making, suspenso art, and nail art.
Right.
Many things are there.
So a lot of things. What do you like out of all these things?
Well, my hobby personally is painting. I like painting mainly because, you can keep your thoughts on a paper. The thing which you cannot express through your words, you can express through on a paper, like with a painting.
Really amazing. Glad to know that, you like painting. And for your information, I used to paint in my school days.
Oh, that's
and
nice.
I reached to a national level competition wherein I got
really great.
third position, but really interesting, very interesting for me.
Glad to meet you in that way.
Same here, really nice. And now we see that there's a lot of technological shift in the market. A lot of new things have come into picture, like mobile, computer, supercomputers, tabs, and internet, of course. So do you think it helps you to get innovative, or it is not helpful, or is it helpful?
Well, technology is definitely helpful in many ways. You know, we can reach out whatever is going on in the market. We can reach out new people who are not reachable through, you know, advertisements. We can reach out through internet. Right. So internet is a really good source of communication and innovation. You can say even in the lockdown, especially after lockdown, like during the lockdown, people who cannot travel physically, they have opted online classes. Right. So I was really busy in the lockdown period through my online sessions, and I have taken like completely from all over states of India. So it was like very pleasing and glad to meet from different states and all people meeting from different states. So I was very glad to meet them.
Since you've been doing this for a long time, teaching these arts to people, have you, seen ups and downs in this journey?
Yes, definitely I have faced many ups and downs as like any other entrepreneur would have faced, especially during the lockdown. You know, the people who cannot travel physically and who are not used to the internet usage and all, who are not reachable, and those people, and also especially during the lockdown, especially the people who were not having the source of income. So obviously they'll not spend on this extra activities. So this was something which, you know, a person would definitely do when he or she is having an extra source of income or out of the interest in their casual time. So in that time, I took it in a very positive way. I encourage people, you know, to take classes at a very minimal cost, and also I always wanted to, you know, help the needy. Near my society, near my colony and all, I have you know, those who are underprivileged, I always encourage them to come to me and learn crafts and arts, whatever is their interest. So that main point was कि suppose I have taught many girls who are underprivileged mehndi designing. Right. So in mehndi designing, I taught them the ways which they can earn. So in that way, I really wanted to extend that more. So that more and more I help the girls and all, so they'll be on their feet. I have always, you know, encouraged and forcefully called them ki come to me and learn free of charge, because you know, in that way at least they will be on independent, because the main thing in today's society is being independent of a lady or a woman.
Right, very true.
So in that way I really wanted to help all the girls and ladies, and my dream is also to open a free camp or, you know, workshop kind of on a regular basis for the underprivileged kids, to give them little smile in their life, especially in the orphanage and all. I couldn't get a chance though, but I will definitely pray and hope and work on that to, you know, conduct such workshops for the underprivileged person.
Really amazing. I'm really impressed the way you think, the way you dream about helping others.